Yeah, that's why I usually go to Family Dollar.
Go tell them. You want me to tell them to come over here and you just start talking?
Fuck all that, man.
Hey!
I'm only, from now on, angel soft. Only fuck the rest of them motherfuckers, man. They trying to fuck. G Suave just came from TikTok. Ooh, them tires is still wet.
It'll be all right.
Hey, man. That car really fast. He just don't know how to drive that motherfucker. Edgar just came from TikTok.
You don't want to be the last one?
Yeah, yeah. You ready? Oh, you? All right. Yeah, I'll be the last one. All right, bet. We're gonna be the last one, y'all.
Lord of the Rings right there.
Are you gonna go stand by him and start talking like that?
Hey, this motherfucker called Lord of the Rings.
I know it. Everybody know it. Hey, y'all, that's Lord of the Rings,
What do
y'all.
they call him?
Oh, G20 Mike.
Oh man.
G20 Mike, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna do some Jessica tonight.
Here we go.
Jessica.
Here we go.
Here we go. Left lane. Left lane, y'all. Let me see.
Go over there and start talking to him like that. He needs to be whispering around the shit tape.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh boy, talking about being the last race of the night. Yeah. All right. When I leave, this piece gonna try to come back, so you just hold that.
You got this one. Got the AC bumping.
Yeah, I'm running him. That police ain't see.
Got the AC bumping. Turn the wheel.
Which way?
Turn it out. Turn it.
Okay. Let me turn off my traction control.
Can you back up and get some water first?
You want me to back up and get a little bit more water?
Which way the wheel
Just
turn?
back up and get water. You don't spit nothing.
take off.
All right.
Hey, get ready.
You're trying to get somewhere. You're trying to get somewhere. Oh, AC.
Turn the AC back on.
Yeah, how did that? Yeah, look out, y'all. We done had us a good old night of streaming. I don't know how many people watching. What we got over there?
2,000 over there?
Okay, 2,000 over there on TikTok. Hey, my people on TikTok, man. We live right now on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. It'll be good, y'all. Come on over here one time. Yeah, y'all come on over to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, and come subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. That's my main channel, Lookout Racing. That's where all the videos at. Got the good ones and everything. I'm finna start putting out some new videos. I'm finna put a new head gasket on the LSA Mustang, bring it back out, and need some new tires and the suspension setup. So we're gonna try to get a video done on all that. Got the Caprice is running pretty good tonight. I got me one tonight with the pass.
Where you finna go with it?
Where you need to go?
My truck right there.
Okay, well let's stop. Appreciate it, man. I sure appreciate it.